When you buy a point of sale system, what's included is all of the hardware, software, on-site installation, training, customer service, and technical support. The components you buy from us. What's not included are three major things. Electricity. Many locations we come out and they say, I want a point of sale system over here for waitress and another one over here. Come to find out there's not electricity within a mile. So we're not going to come out with a 100-foot extension cord and install that for you. Got to make sure electrical is there, as well as in your kitchen. If you want a kitchen printer or a kitchen display system, which we talk about in other videos, you need to make sure that you have electricity access. Second thing is counter space. A lot of times electricity is under the counter, so make sure you have a hole drilled in the countertop. We don't have the tools necessary to drill into granite or concrete or tile countertops. And finally is internet. A lot of times customers say, well, I have internet at my location and maybe Wi-Fi. That may be a way that you can set up the point of sale system, but the best way is with a solid wired connection. It's the most reliable connection. You will get a point of sale system wire running from your router to the POS system, and that's an Ethernet cable, from the router to maybe station 2, from the router to a kitchen printer. And everything will talk to each other over the network. If you have any additional questions, give us a call at 888-405-8706.